guys, it's Anne here again, and here is another episode of Very Unusual. So in this video, I will be reviewing this product from Some by Me. They sent this to me. It's a V10 Vitamin Tone Up Cream. It's for brightening and moisture. Plus, it has double function because it also targets wrinkles. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so let me have first the claims of this product, guys. First, it says here it's a vitamin balm tone-up cream that will really make your skin whiter because it contains vitamin fruit extract of up to 700,000 ppm. Okay, so I think that's a lot, right? Aside from that, it has instant whitening and continuous whitening. Of course, after a few months maybe or weeks of using it, just religiously use it alongside with your skincare routine at night or in the morning. So you will have that permanent white skin alongside instant whitening effect. Okay. And now, let me just talk about more details of this product. It contains 10 multivitamins that could whiten your skin inside and out. And that's amazing, I thought. It's because it's essential that we just don't brighten our skin in the outside, but more effectively in the inside, right? Because that way it will be more reflective and it would be non-artificial, and that way you will see the glow even more, isn't it? Aside from that, the texture is very light and it's easy to glide, so it means fast absorption. So while applying it, really it feels great. It doesn't clamp. It feels really smooth on your skin. And what I like also about this one is that it can be used on your elbows and on your knees. So if you have noticed a while ago, you really saw that instant whitening effect, right? After application. So now guys, let me talk about the pros of this product. First, I could tell that it's very multifunctional because if it didn't work on your face for some reason, because results may vary, right? What may work for me may not be for you. So that way, if it didn't, you could use it on your elbows, knees, armpits, and legs. So there are other options that you could use it to. You are not wasting money, isn't it? Number two, the instant whitening effect. I really think that that's a plus factor for this product, especially if you are to attend parties and you will be, like for example, wearing some revealing outfits, right? And you are not that confident because you're hiding some dark spots or pigmentation on your face. Because of the instant whitening, this one will be a good alternative, right? It's like a makeup powder, but at the same time, with continuous use, you will achieve that permanent whitening effect. And for number three, it's skin friendly. It doesn't contain the 20 major allergic ingredients or components of any skincare product. Nowadays, with all the skincare products that we are applying on our face, it's very important that we bump into products like this. That way we could protect our skin, because we use skincare products to protect our skin, to take care of our skin, right? And not to damage it even more. So I think that's another pros for this product. Also, it is suitable for all skin tones. So if you want to wear it during the day, if you want to apply it during the day, don't worry about it that it might look too white on your face, because I'll show you some shots here. This was taken on natural lighting and this one on indoor lighting. So if you have noticed, it's not too white. So whatever skin tone you have, it will complement really well. Another thing guys, it's very hygienic because it comes in a tube, so you won't have to use spatula when you apply it. And finally, it's travel friendly. It's very light, so you could just bring it with you when you travel. Now for the cons about this product guys, I think I could only cite one. probably some by me could also come up with instructions in English on how to use it and what are the benefits of it, etc. So that's the only point I want to stress out, because for now I've been using it for just 3 days, so I could only give you my first impressions and somehow minimal reviews, just like what I mentioned a while ago. So if you will ask me when to use it, ideally I think it's best to use it at night, because of course during the night we are not that active and it's the proper way for our cells to rejuvenate. So since we are rested then, this product would take full effect because of the absorption, and yeah, because we are less active. Okay, so overall, for my first impression about this product, guys, I will be giving it 7 out of 10. Again, if you like this video and you find it useful, please don't forget to give it some love. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. New videos every Saturday. And by the latter part of November, I will also be uploading videos twice a week. One is for my personal vlogging. So I really hope that I would see more of you on my channel. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. Happy weekend. Bye. Thank you.